Presenting a new variation of the Magnum 44. Listen up, folks, not before seen. A new variation from Oxidean Magnum, Magnum 44 in the Dodgers colors. Let me take off the lid so you don't have to wonder. Here we are. Whoa, yes indeed. What can I do? Electric blue. Yep, electric blue on you guys. Real clean. Dodgers colors. Of course, it's got the Castle 1520, 1650 kV motors. And of course, it's got the Castle 8S HYDRA ESCs. And of course, it's got the Oxidean CNC chromoly gear servo. It most certainly is using EC8 connectors, wired in series. It's running our delightful 4519 CNC props with our CNC prop nuts. Plays talking GPS radio, GPS module installed, voltage sensor harness hooked up, receiver part tightly put away in a balloon, and yep, he's got the blue rubber boots. Carbon fiber steering bell crank, push-pull cable steering with a polished rudder, blue water outlets, personally autographed by yours truly, and filling on the inside. The whole thing is filled with expanding foam, which we've actually made a neat blue plug for concealment and added flotation. Flotation in the hatch. Sliding carbon fiber battery trays. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button. We can build you one of these Magnum 44 special Dodgers editions, no problem. And remember, we don't lag on these boats. This person ordered not long ago, less than a week, and here he is about to receive his boat.